Welcome, dear meditator, dear friend. As you prepare for rest, allow this 10-minute meditation to guide you into a deep, restorative slumber. Find a comfortable position lying down in your bed. If it feels right to you, close your eyes and take a moment to settle. Begin by taking a deep inhale through the nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale slowly through the mouth, releasing all the tension from the day. Imagine a soft, glowing light above you. This light is warm, gentle, and inviting. Now, with every breath you take, this light descends upon you, touching your forehead, relaxing the mind, dissolving any lingering thoughts. It moves down to your eyes, calming and relaxing them. Your cheeks, jaw, and the muscles in your face all release and soften. Feel this warm light moving to your neck and shoulders, melting away any tightness, any burden you've carried today. It continues down your arms, your chest, your heart, wrapping you in a sensation of love, of safety, and of peace. Your abdomen, your back, every muscle, every fiber surrendering to this serene moment. The light covers your hips, making them warm and soft. And then your thighs, down to your knees, to your calves, all the way to your toes. Your entire body bathed in this comforting, warm glow. As you're enveloped in this light, feel all worries, anxieties, and stresses dissolve, carried away by the gentle tide of your breath. Imagine yourself floating, weightless, surrounded by a vast, calm ocean of tranquility, where every wave is a breath, guiding you deeper into relaxation. And now, as you drift on this peaceful ocean, allow a sense of gratitude to fill your heart and soul. Think of one thing, no matter how small, that you are grateful for today. Hold that feeling close as you prepare to enter the world of dreams, knowing you are safe, knowing you are loved, and knowing you are at peace. It is now time to let go. Release this meditation and drift into a restful, rejuvenating sleep. Good night, dear friend. Sleep well.